Hello everyone. Today we are building the linen closet. A closet inside the bedroom. Here it's from old woods. He's making the closet using the old woods. Allergy?
Uhugin. So that's what you want there. And then, maglalagay ako ulit ng isang pagganon. Isang diretso ulit. Isang diretso ulit na covered naman hanggang dito. But would only be this high or that high.
Maybe the same.
Sige,
Yeah, you can sabay mo na lang dyan sa wood na yan.
Yeah, pwede.
Papatong mo lang yung computer, right?
Yeah. You have to build a sturdy na hindi siya gumalaw. Something.
Yeah. If we are going to use a contractor, they're gonna ask us to buy new woods. But he's the only one who's doing it, so we can
So we cheat.
save money. Anyway, I can paint that. It won't show the old wood anyway.
So I'm gonna make 3 more shelvings here. And then we'll put another wood here,
Yeah.
and another wood here. Slap everything back.
All my linens, we can put the linens there. All my linens are under the bed. Under here. And my shoes. You have wood for the shelving?
No, what we're gonna do is
You know the one that we use for the fireplace? The triangle outside? Can't you use that?
maybe, but this is long. It won't cover the whole thing. So I'm thinking all the shelvings of the wood that we took out from there, I could just probably slap them down side by side.
How it might not.
No, it
Are
will.
you gonna put another wood? No. So if that's what gonna use, you have to put another wood like this.
Of course.
Okay.
One for there, 2 for here. 1 here and 1 there. Straight. Because that's how you wanted that whole shelf there for your closet. So shelf straight, and then half of that one so you can just throw in stuff in there, and then right? That's what
Now
you want.
the luggages have a house now.
And you'll have more once I'm done here. You'll have more space. You can put on some
Another
more,
space there.
some more
Okay.
stuff. You can clear up some more. I'll give you a lot of room, but right now, just go for that, and then what? Probably do that, and then stand on the wall first.
How about your computer?
I don't care about that.
No computer stuff here.
Yeah, all those. I don't
And
know.
those also in the
Got
bags.
so much stuff in there for this 3 cases, this 3 containers.
Yeah.
They're full of electronic stuff.
Also, this one. I have one inside here. This one?
Yeah, that's a motherboard. I don't know what Aaron wants with that. That's Aaron's. He set it over here.
Too much stuff.
Too much. Well, at least it's here. It's all that's secured.
This is the bedroom in the basement.
Now that that is away, you can basically take this.
We took out already my boots. My boots has space now. I'll show you guys. The boots in the boxes. He made a shelf here. It's there in the laundry room. He made a shelf here in the laundry. Those are all boots in the shoe boxes. So that is the laundry room. Let's turn on the lights. This is the furnace. This is the laundry room. The door is the accordion door or fan door. So all my boots are there.
These are not mine. These are Victoria's.
Which one?
The toys.
Yeah, the big one.
Holy shit.
Only the 2 red boxes. It's yours. Only the 2 red boxes. This is Victoria's or Jason's.
Victoria.
The
Victoria is
grandchildren.
the messy lady.
Even she wants me to fix the sofa. What's this, love seat?
I want to see.
Oh, it's a lot of stuff underneath.
That's what I hate. I hate those surprises. That's why I wanted to see
Because you want to.
what it looks like.
Oh,
Keep on hiding things.
all my linens are under there. See those linens under the bed. That's why I want you to make me one linen.
Yeah, want me to. Everything is want. Want this, want that. Okay. So that's what.
Hopefully my linens will fit there.
I don't think so. You got too much junk. I told you to put out those linens because it's cold and your linens on the bed are not enough. But you keep on putting in there instead of putting it out. Put it out and set them up. It's cold in the morning. Okay, so that's that. Shit. Okay, at least we can make use of this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and some more in there. That's not bad. At least you got something to.
The luggage is at the house now.
Okay.
Okay, so see you later. Thanks for watching. That's the update of the basement.
See, the electrical is all covered now. So where do you want this? The mirror. What is it out here?
I'm thinking to put it inside the back of the door.
Back here?
Yeah.
The problem with this door is just it's hollow, right?
It's not flat.
Yeah. Doesn't
Can I go in?
doesn't hold as good. It's okay. It looks, it's fine, but it's just, I'm wondering if it would hold, the lock would hold because of the kind of wood that's in here. This wood is so thin. Well, we'll see. See what I can do. I just want this, I don't want it hanging around, I want it put away. So this is all, it's great. It's really hardening up. So we can finish it up.
A little shelving.
We got a little shelving down here. So get in there.
Okay.
So this one is anything else that's here? Oh, okay, so remember these are here. Why don't you take this electrical?
Okay. See you later. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. That's the update. It's April 9. Is it April 9?
I don't know.
Okay.
April something.
April something. Bye. Bye.